Find half-range Fourier sine series for f of x equals x in the range 0 to 2. Since we wish to have only sine terms in the Fourier series expansion, we will extend the given function f of x to the range minus 2 to 0 as an odd function. Thus, we will obtain the new function capital F of x which has odd functions property. Thus, we will have Fourier coefficients a0 and an will be 0. We have Fourier series expansion given by f of x equals summation n ranges from 1 to infinity bn sin pi n x by L for x belonging to range 0 to 2. We have capital F of x coincides with small f of x for x belongs to range 0 to 2. Since the new function capital F of x is defined for the range minus 2 to 2, we will have c equals minus 2 and c plus 2l equals 2. From these two equations, we will get L equals 2. Thus, we have Bn equals 1 by L integral minus L to L capital F of x into sin pi n x by L into dx rewritten as 1 by 2 integral minus 2 to 2 capital F of x into sin pi n x by 2 into dx. Since these two functions are odd functions and product of two odd functions is even, we have capital F of x multiplied to sin pi n x by L is an even function. Thus, integral minus 2 to 2 capital F of x into sin pi n x by L into dx can be replaced by 2 times integral 0 to 2 capital F of x into sin pi n x by L into dx. Since we have capital F of x equals small f of x in the range 0 to 2, we can replace capital F of x using small f of x. Now we perform the integration using integration by parts. These denominators can be taken to numerators as its reciprocal, and in the second term we have minus into minus becomes plus. Now we give upper and lower limits x equals 2 and x equals 0 respectively. In both the cases, this term will become 0. When you give x equals 0, this term will become 0. We have x equals 2 applied on this term will only give us non-zero term, and thus we have bn equals minus 4 divided by n pi multiplied to cos n pi, where cos n pi equals minus 1 the whole raised to n. Thus we have f of x equals summation n ranges from 1 to infinity bn sin pi n x by L is the desired Fourier half-range sine series independent of cosine terms.